Hi, I am Kate from Knit Now magazine,
And I'm Jenny from Crochet Now magazine.
and today we're having a little bit of fun. We are, of course, sister magazines, but like any sisters, there is a little bit of sibling rivalry. So we're going to have a bit of a knitters versus crocheters game of...
What's my yarn? So Liam, our lovely editorial assistant who's stood off camera today, is going to be handing us balls of yarn. We're going to be blindfolded and we're just going to feel and maybe smell and just guess what they are. And then we're just going to keep a little running score, aren't we?
Yeah.
So no pressure, knitters versus crocheters.
Yarn number one.
Okay, thank you.
oh no, I know what that is.
This feels squishy.
It's a really big ball. It's really fluffy. It's like furry and soft.
Yeah.
And I think this is something that Jenny has been crocheting with recently.
Ah.
I think it's King Cole Tufty.
Okay, well I've got what feels like a lovely large squishy skein of yarn. Just really soft, a little fuzzy, but not in a bad way, but quite light. So I think this is Cheeky Chunky from Woolcachar. Now what do we do? Okay.
Yarn two.
Yarn 2.
Okay.
Oh, it's a skein.
Ooh.
It's a skein with a band around the middle. Feels how...
I wonder if
Ooh.
feeling the band will help me.
it's quite thin, isn't it? It's like a lace weight or something of that ilk.
Mine feels woolly, quite
Yeah.
reasonably crisp,
It's really,
but
really
not
soft.
abrasive. Good cardboard, sort of card band. So I...
You go first. Just listening to me.
It feels like a nice colour, but I couldn't tell you. I think this is West Yorkshire Spinners, possibly a DK.
I think mine is West Yorkshire Spinners as well, so that's now putting me off thinking I'm wrong, because the only thing that I know of that we have in the office that is a lace weight in a skein is West Yorkshire Spinners Exquisite.
Have a look.
Should we have a look?
Hey!
Well, hey! Oh, DK! Yes! Nailed it. Thank you.
Oh, it's still neck and neck.
Right, we'll go straight into yarn three.
Okay,
Yarn
thank
three.
you. I'm keen. Thank you.
Oh,
This is
oh,
definitely...
this is a cake.
I have a cotton.
This is a cottony kind of a cake.
I have a little cotton here. I'm just going to rotate in the hoops.
I
The
think
viewers
we
at home can see it.
We had something, I'm going to be so wrong here, I'm so worried about that I'm going to be wrong. We had a pattern in issue 90 that was in Karen Cupcake. I'm wondering if that's this, because it's a small cottony feeling, cakey feeling kind of thing. It's really nice, it's soft.
This feels like cotton, but possibly it has something in there that's softening it as well. And it's quite small. Possibly 4-ply. So I'm going to guess. I don't know which line, but a Rowan 4-ply, possibly.
Right.
Oh, I'm looking. Oh, hey! It's got
Karen Cotton Cake,
Oh,
so I wasn't
100%
quite right.
100% cotton.
Can
I wasn't quite right with my softening, but I'll have half a point. Thank you.
Yeah, can I have half a point?
You'll have
for
half a
cup
point.
for
Half
cupcakes
point.
instead of cotton cakes. Can we get like half a point for the brand and then another half a point for the
weight. So
yarn?
So we'll have a.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
We'll add all of that up later.
Okay.
I'm just keeping this all recording.
That's a good idea.
Trim it down.
For the viewers at home, it's very hot today.
It's really, really hot. It's so hot. Oh my god.
Are you ready for
The
round
sun is shining.
4?
Yes, please.
Round 4. Yarn me.
Ooh. Oh, this feels. This is a very distinct feel. I hope I'm right, because as soon as you put it in my hand, it feels like Signet Boho. It has a very distinct sort of loosely spun feel. I also, oddly, I know ball bands quite well. I know that feels like a
Yeah.
Signet ball band. This is boho. It's going to be spirit or solid. We're going to go spirit, I think.
You know what?
Hazard a guess.
This feels like a Signet ball band as well.
Oh,
Like,
is he
that
tricking
what
us?
Are you? Oh. Right. I am wondering whether, and I am slightly cheating here because I'm going on what I know we have in the office and what's been on our desks. Alexi from
That's
Signet
just-
sent me a ball of Signet DK in this really amazing like coral colour the other day, and I'm wondering if it's that because it feels like
It's not
a
cheating.
DK acrylic.
It's just we've done our homework.
Yeah.
We remember what we're sent.
yeah. Is it that?
Can we look? Oh! Spirit as well. Look
Cheers.
at that.
Full point for both of you.
Okay.
Kate might even get an extra half point for naming the colour as well.
Oh. Fair enough. I got spirit over solid.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do.
Even.
I can feel my mascara melting into my face
Same.
under this
Okay.
blindfold.
You're gonna look good
Here's
for you.
the yarn.
Okay.
Oh, oh, oh.
This is a distinct. Now I'm going to say that I'm cheating and that I know we were sent this yarn, and it has a very. We spent a good few minutes squishing it in the office because it has a very distinct boucle feel to it, and it's quite. It is very soft. I know it's a baby yarn, very squishy, and it's. I've got to remember the name. I know it's a Lion brand yarn. Baby something.
I'm squishing this and I can feel that I think it feels like it's cottonish but not 100%, and it's a 100-gram ball. It's really, all of these have been nice yarns so far, to be honest. This feels really soft. It feels really round. What have we got that's 100-gram balls? That's Genie? Starcraft Genie?
May we look?
You may.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do I get a point because I said baby
You
and
said-
it's soft
You
and
said
it's
all of the
boucle?
words, so you can have that point.
Thank you.
So that's the point where we see how far our makeup has been ruined by these blindfolds. Yeah.
Oh well, that sounded
So
like a
that-
very good round.
Yeah, I think, well, we'll have to defer to Liam for scoring.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Watch the space.
If there's anything else you guys want us to do, let us know. We are welcome to open suggestions. We are new to this whole video thing, so any ideas you've got.
Games, reviews, anything you want to see us talk about or want to ask us questions and we'll answer them, just send us an email, ask
Leave
us
a
on
comment,
Facebook
yeah.
or leave us a comment underneath. That'd be great.
Yes. See you next time.